Well, welcome, young people. So glad to see you today. They told me I had some possible apprentices coming over. Well, it is a fine and worthy noble profession you seek, but it is one which you must really contemplate the importance of. You cannot enter into it too lightly, for you see, once you accept this apprenticeship, you will be living with me for the next 5 to 6 years. I will become like your father, and you'll become like my children. All the things I tell you to do, you must listen to, for they'll be important to your education. Some people feel that it is a bit much for some your age, but I feel that it is appropriate at this time. Why don't you walk on into the cabin with me and we'll talk further about your education. Come along. It's really good to see you today. I've set up a few things for you to help you with making up your mind. This is an important decision you're about to make, for you'll become my servant. Before one can actually be a leader, one must learn to serve, and we'll work on that. We'll be discussing civility, etiquette. You must learn how to serve both the rich and both the impoverished. You'll become a leader in your community, and it's important that you know the proper way to talk and to address people. Besides that, there's going to be a lot to do with your medical studies, and I want you to follow closely what I'm about to say, for it is very important. If you follow my directions, you'll go with me daily, you'll follow my chores, I will take you on my calls, you will learn how to suture, you will learn surgical techniques, I will teach you how to address the ill, I'll teach you how to dress wounds, how to pull teeth. All of these things will take a long time. We'll work on bloodletting, and all of these things you're going to have to learn about. Are you ready for that kind of commitment? If you are, at the end of 6 years, I will present you all with a certificate of completion, and you'll begin to practice medicine. I will give you a complete set of new clothes. I will give you a basic set of surgical tools. I will also provide you with a possible entrance into the medical school in Philadelphia, which could really be the top of your education. After that, you could probably end up in London and Edinburgh for further studies. Now, I want you to think for a moment. Are you ready for this commitment?